guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm buying more stickers from your Redbubble shops. So the other day I posted a comment in my community post section to drop your store links if you wanted to be considered for buying your stickers. And I got tons of stores, so thank you so much for that. I opened like a bunch of random ones on my browser so you guys can see in real time what I buy and just me browsing the stores. Also, I'm trying to film in a new room today, and this one, last time I filmed in it, was very echoey. So I have a better mic now, so I'm hoping that gets rid of some of it. And I also put like towels at the doors, so I don't know, I think that helps, I heard. So I'm hoping the audio will be okay. If it does turn out to be a bit echoey, sorry, and I will film in the old spot next time and just like cross out this room until I figure out a better situation. But I thought I would try to switch it up and I don't know, give you guys a change of scenery. Before we get started, I want to announce that I've launched an exciting new product on my online shop. So this product is actually a personalized Redbubble review. So what this means is that it gives you the option for a personalized review from me. So I'll make a 10-minute video of me going over your store in depth, so a lot more than what you would see on just my regular reviews. And I'd be going through like all your products and giving you actionable advice for how you can improve your sales and just overall improve your store and, you know, your artwork, anything like that, and any other feedback that I have for you guys. So I'm thinking right now that I'll leave it up for a month and just see kind of how it goes. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check it out on my website. I'll leave the link in the description bar down below. And yeah, I'll just see how it goes this month. So it'll be kind of like a trial run, and then I'll see if I end up keeping it next month. Maybe I'll make it like a quarterly thing. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that because I thought it was a great option for people that do want a more in-depth shop review from me. Anyways, let's get back into the video where I'm going to buy some stickers from you guys. Yeah, before I forget, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing a lot more content now. I actually went part-time with my job so that I have more time to make videos, and definitely dedicating more time to it. And I'm really excited to bring more content to you guys and just have more time to dedicate towards my YouTube related stuff. All right, so let's get into the shops that I got. Okay, so this is the first store I have. Let's actually click right into stickers and see what they have. Ooh, I really like this Nintendo sticker. That is so cute. I've always been like a huge Nintendo fan ever since I was a kid. I had like all the products and I always played, so I'm going to favorite that one. Oh, and they have sushi stickers. Oh, this store has a lot of good stuff. So just to be fair, I'm going to try to just like buy one thing from each store so that other stores have a chance to get a sticker sale as well. But I'm just gonna quickly look through this one and see if there's anything else that I like. So yeah, I'll add this to cart. I don't know why I favorited it. Okay, so next store we have this one here. And once again, I'm gonna go straight to stickers. Oh, I really like this Dahlia sticker. That's cool. I'm gonna add it to cart. Okay, so far this has been really successful. Honestly, I felt like I'd go through a lot of stores and not find any stickers. But yeah, you guys have really good designs and designs that I like. Okay. So looks like that's about it for that store. So let me go into the next one. Okay, this one's cool. It has like some like outline stickers, some patterns, some Halloween. Yeah, a lot of mandalas. I like mandala stickers, but I don't know, like for me, I don't know if I would buy one, but I think they look really cool and I think they must sell well, so. Oh, these Halloween ones are cool. Let's see what else. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know, nothing really caught my eye for the type of stickers that I'm looking for, but they're still really good. I like this background. It goes really well with the profile picture. Let's see here what their sticker collection looks like. Another pumpkin one. Those are actually cool because like you can stick them on anything and it will look like a pumpkin face. Okay, so not like the biggest selection, but I think they must just be starting out. Still some cool stickers in there, especially for Halloween, so good job for that. But nothing really caught my eye. Okay, next one we have Chasing Sunrise. And it looks like they do a lot of quotes, so I'm not really looking for like quotes on stickers right now, unless, I don't know, like something really speaks to me, but I can't think of what I want a quote. See a lot of Friends stuff here. Unfortunately, I'm not the biggest Friends fan. I don't know, I've never like really gotten into it. Okay, so yeah, mostly just quotes, which is really cool, and I'm sure you do well with that, but unfortunately, I want kind of pictures, so let's go on to the next one. So we have Wonderlust DM. Let's go to your stickers. Oh, these are kind of cool. They're like sketches. It's not a super wide selection, just 10 designs here, but they are cool. These ones are a little hard to see though. Maybe make them a little darker. But yeah, they're cool. Okay, we have another one here. Oh, this one looks promising. Oh, I love all these cute little Halloween stickers. That is so cute. Oh, there's also fall ones. Huh. I don't know which one I like better. Oh, there's another cat. That's really cute. Oh, these pumpkin ones are cute. Different colored pumpkins. Okay, I might add that one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but I'll decide later. I'm just gonna add everything to my cart and then figure out what I want once I'll add the cat too and see. Oh, that's a cute pumpkin. Okay, got a few things from this store, so I'll move on to the next one. We have Wasabi, and let's go into their stickers. Ooh, right away, I really like this one. I'm gonna add that. Oh, the cat is kind of cute too, but I already have a cat one. But then again, I have a soft spot for cat stickers, so I don't know. Maybe I'll wait though. Oh, this one is actually really cute. Should I get it? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna add it to my cart and then decide later. Next, we have NS Red 001. Okay, so we have quite a few text-based stickers. Some Halloween there. So I feel like this store is maybe kind of going for some of the trends that are happening right now. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything that catches my eye. That one's kind of cute, but I already added a cat one, so I'll hold off for now. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next store. Frosty ice cream, let's see what you have. Okay, so not too many stickers here. Nothing really catches my eye. Okay, next store. Let's go to their stickers. I'm not sure if they have too many designs here. Yes, not too many designs, and they're not, I guess, the best designs for stickers. They're more so for like products, I would say, but keep uploading and maybe next time. Oh, I like this, how she has the thank you at the top. That's cool. Okay, so let's see their stickers. This B one's cute. Oh, this pink cloud is nice too. I got a lot of stickers last time that were really big, so I wanted to try to get some smaller ones to like fill in the space of my laptop, because I don't want just like huge stickers, and I feel like this one will be big, but it looks really nice. We have the raindrop here. Again, not too many stickers. Yeah, nothing really that I'm looking for, so I'll just go to the next shop. Oceanarium. Let's see if you have any cute pictures of the ocean. A lot of jellyfish. This crab one's cute. But yeah, very specific, which is good because it'll attract people that like the ocean and stuff like that. But yeah, didn't find anything on there that I wanted to get. We have Eva Martinelli. Oh yeah, I did look at this store before. Okay. Oh, I love the strawberry one. It's so cute. I'm gonna add that. Guys, anything with food and faces on it is my weakness. Oh, this cat lover one is so cute too. Why there's so many cute cat ones. Oh, I like this header. Looks very professional. Let's see the stickers. Oh, does this store just have stickers? I would recommend putting your stuff on other items too. Oh, this is cute, the charcuterie board. I like that idea. I feel like I haven't seen that before. Yeah, these are some really good stickers. The iced coffee one is super cute. Oh, I wish there was like a green tea latte version of that. Yeah, these are all really good. Kind of like this ramen one. Let's see. Oh, some more sushi stickers. These are cool though. They actually look kind of realistic. I really want to find something from the store because I love their like style. Ooh, I think I might have found it. That looks really cool. Tuna sushi there. Oh, even the avocado toast is really cool. Let me see. Okay, well I got one from the store and it's a really cool one, so I will move on. Okay, so this is turning into quite the long video because I didn't realize I opened so many tabs, but I want to give as many of you as a chance as possible. Oh, there's another iced coffee one that's cute. See, I don't really drink iced coffee that much, so I feel like, I don't know, I wouldn't want to get a sticker that has coffee, but if they had other drinks, that would be cool. Okay, nothing really here. Lives lettering, let's see what you have. This lemonade is kind of cute. Yeah, I liked some of those, but I already have a lot of similar things, so I think I'll just go to the next store. Yeah, I'm not really looking for lettering, but who knows? Might find something interesting. This one's actually really cute. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the next store because yeah, it looks like most of these are lettering, which is still cool, and I'm sure you sell lots, but not looking for lettering. Okay, this one looks interesting. Oh, they only have 5 designs, but so far actually they look really nice. I really like the Seasons one, that's cool. Just gonna go to the next store. Mama merch, let's see what this is. Okay, so kind of like a lot of random stuff here. Yeah, okay, it doesn't really look like my style of stickers, but so I'm just gonna move on to the next store. Oh, this one has a cute Halloween one. See, I want to buy all these Halloween stickers, but like, I don't know, I feel like I can't really keep them on my laptop for much longer than a month, so it's kind of pointless. But that one is so cute, I love that. Oh, and all these other cat ones, oh my gosh. I really like all these stickers. I don't know, I feel like they're not necessarily like my style, but I think they're really cool. Okay, we have this store here. It's actually such a good idea promoting your YouTube in the header there. Okay, this one's so funny. Alexa, schedule a mental breakdown. I like that, but I think I'd be too embarrassed to put that on my laptop.
I'm not sure.
Oh my god, did you guys hear that? I realized I have an Alexa in this room and that triggered it. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I like that, but I don't know if I put it on my laptop. These cactus ones are pretty cool. Yeah, so a lot of text-based stuff on this one too. That one's cute too. Oh, those are cute sticker packs. I feel like there's like a lot of trendy designs on this one, which is good because it probably like attracts a lot of people to the store. Okay, yeah, a lot of like cool things, just not for me right now. Let's see what I have here. Oh my god, this pumpkin is funny. And again, a lot of quotes. That glass of lemonade is cool too. Actually, maybe I'm gonna add that one. I like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next store. I'm in my last 2 stores that I've opened here, and then we'll see kind of how many stickers I have and if I need to open some more stores. I like this cute dog one. Okay, yeah, nothing really caught my eye, so I'm just gonna go to the next one. Okay, so this is the last store I have here. Let's just look at the stickers. There's like a lot of doodles, which is kind of cool. Okay, not too many options, but I like this style. Not necessarily for me, but I think it's pretty cool that they're all kind of like that doodle effect. Okay, let's see what I have in my cart. Okay, so I have the Nintendo one, which I definitely want to keep. Have this flower one, I like that. Not sure if I want to keep that one. I think I'm going to get rid of this cat because I think I got 2 things from this person's store. Are they all small? Yeah. Okay, so it says add 2 more stickers to this order and we'll discount all of them by 50%. And I'm pretty sure this is exactly what happened to me last time. So I might as well add 2 more stickers and get the 50% off. So I'm gonna go back to the comments and pick some more random stores and see what we can find. So the screen recording of me going to the second round of shops got deleted, unfortunately. So here I'm just showing my final basket of stickers. So the second people that I bought my stickers from still get their credit. As you can see, it's the last 2 stickers there that I added on, and then I completed my order. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me shop all of your stores for some stickers. I had lots of fun doing it, and I love seeing all of your artwork because there's so many different types of artwork out there. And I mean, I know I sometimes tend to like go towards like a few themes of what I want to buy, but just because I didn't buy it doesn't mean, you know, it's not good. Like pretty much everything I saw in all the stores was, you know, worth buying, and it looked really good. So yeah, good job guys, and congrats on all of your store openings and, you know, continuing to post. Also, just to let you guys know, I still have the 15% off coupon code for my entire shop. So Redbubble gave that to me so that you guys can purchase anything in my shop, no matter what it is, for 15% off. So leave the link and the code down in the description bar if you guys want to buy anything. I'm also adding some new fall designs, so go check that out. And for those of you that don't know, Redbubble is a print-on-demand site. I mean, I'm sure you do at this point, but just in case you are new to my channel and this is your first video that you've ever seen, basically what you can do on Redbubble is you post designs, whether that's, you know, graphic design that you've made, illustrations, photography, any sort of creative graphic, I guess, and you upload it to their site, and then you have the option to upload it to like tons of different items, from phone cases, wall tapestries, duvet covers, you name it, they pretty much have it. And once you upload it to all those items, you can then sell it to the world, and you get a commission of every sale that you make. So it's a really cool and easy way to sell your artwork, especially if you don't want to kind of set up your own shop and everything like that. So I highly recommend it to any creative that, you know, wants to sell their artwork online, or just people that want to make a little extra money on the side. So that's all I have for today. Please like this video if you want to see me doing more videos where I buy stuff for my subscribers. I definitely enjoy them, and I love supporting you guys. I feel like this is just a little way to say thank you for all of your support you've given me. So yeah, thank you for that. And subscribe to my channel if you want to continue supporting me as well and stay up to date with all my content. But that's all I have for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!